Our official home solutions partner, DCA Professional Power Tools. Our official power tools, LGR. Our official outfitter, Healthy and Pure. Our official hydration partner, our valued licensees, DBA Rush, Daily Fantasy, World Balance.
Mga ka-PBA, tuloy-tuloy po ang games natin sa Season 49 Commissioner's Cup. Bukas po, nasa Ninoy Aquino Stadium tayo. Ang ating doubleheader magsisimula ng alas 5. It's the Northport Batang Pier against the NLEX Road Warriors. Tapos second game naman po natin at 7:30 PM. Blackwater Bossing kontra Magnolia Chicken Templados Hot Shots. Sa Biyernes, November 29, nasa Ninoy Aquino Stadium.